Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with State Farm easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official State Farm website. Navigate to the investments section on the homepage. Explore the different investment options available, such as mutual funds, retirement accounts, and educational savings plans. If you're new to investing, consider starting with a simple account. Click on the Get Started or Open an Account button. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Create a username and a secure password for your account. Read and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once your account is set up, log in with your new credentials. Take a moment to review the educational resources offered by State Farm. These resources can help you understand investing basics and strategies. When you're ready, choose an investment option that meets your financial goals. Consider factors such as risk tolerance and investment timeline. Fill out the necessary details for your chosen investment. Review your investment choices and ensure everything is accurate. Submit your investment application for processing. If you have questions, reach out to a State Farm representative via chat or phone. Once your investment is confirmed, monitor your account regularly. You can access your portfolio through the State Farm online platform. Stay informed about market trends and investment opportunities. Adjust your investment strategy as your goals and circumstances change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.